Okay friends, so now we'll see how to run a particular program on your computer or how to open a specific file on your computer. In the previous video, we have seen there are different file formats, that is .doc, .avi, .mp3, .jpeg. Now different file formats are supported by different programs. So if you want to run or if you want to play a music file, you cannot play a music with a Word document or an Excel file. You will have to run a program which supports that kind of a file, like a media player. And vice versa, you cannot open a Word document in a media player. You will have to run a Word program, and then only you will be able to open a Word document file. So let's check it out. Let's click on Start. We can either scroll down and find a media player in the list, or we can type media player and you will see an option wherein we can click and open that particular program. So now the program is opened. Let us try to add a song file here. So we right click here, we get an option of file, then we get an option of open. Sometimes you will find these options of file view on the top bar itself and you will not have to right click. But if it is not visible, then you can right click and open it. So file, open. Now as we have seen, the Windows Explorer window opens up. This is a map of your computer, so you need to find the exact location of that file. So we'll go to this PC, then we'll go to C drive. There is a song folder, and this is the song which we would like to add and play. So we'll double click. So we notice that the song is added here and the song starts playing here. So now we can pause, play, stop and listen to this particular music. Now let's say if we want to add a Word document here. Let's check. This is our Word file which is there on the desktop. So we right click, file, open. We go to the location, desktop. Now we notice that this particular file is not visible here. Okay, because it is restricting, there is a filter that it will only show media files here. So we click here and we select any file. So our Word document file is visible now. If we double click and try to add this file on a media player, then it gives an error that the selected file has an extension .docx and this cannot be played on a media player. So we'll not be able to open this file here. So let's close this. Now, since this particular file is already identified as a Word file, if we double click here, it will open a program of Microsoft Word and then it will open our file in front of us. If we don't know what kind of format is this particular file, and if we want to first run a program of Microsoft Word and then open this file, we can do so. So we click on Start, we type Word, we open the Microsoft Word program, and then again we go to File option, we select Open, then we search our file on the computer which we saved on desktop. So now we try to open it from here and we'll notice that our file gets open here. Since this is supported by a Word program, this file can be opened with Word and not with the media player, and vice versa. So it is very important for us to identify what is the type of the file on computer and which program will support that particular file. So same logic is applicable for everything you want to do on computer. So you will have to open a specific program which supports a specific file format. So if you want to open a Word document, you will have to run a Word program. If you want to play a music, you will have to open a program which supports media formats. So that's how the overall process goes. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.